What's up, guys? Today I want to share with you my DIY project. As you can see, my car is really dirty. Actually, it's not mud, it's just dust. And I washed my car about 2 days ago, and it was while it was staying outside, it's covered in dust. So to bring the pressure washer and all chemicals in 2 buckets and do the same thing again, um, I really don't have a time for it. So I was thinking to use waterless car wash. So I started looking for one, and I was surprised. They're really expensive. They're like more than $10 a bottle, and the bottle is not that big. It's like 26 or 24 ounces. It's really expensive. So what I did, I mixed my own, and it's cost me maybe $1 or so. And I was using for this project distilled water. It's it can be any kind of water. I like using distilled water. It's not gonna leave watermarks after I done. And this product I purchased at Costco, the whole thing long time ago, and it was laying in the garage. So on the label said you can mix 2.5 ounces per 2 gallons of water. So I took 32 ounces bottle, just like this, unmarked regular bottle. I poured distilled water in it and half a cup of this shampoo. It's not necessarily that you're gonna use this one. If you have any other car shampoo, you don't have to use dish soap. It's really hard for the paint. It will remove your wax. The car shampoo, the car soap, it's not that strong, so you can put a little bit in your water, mix it, and then you can use it. Full bottle with this solution, and it was enough for 4 cars. You can do, or you can do the same car 4 times. And right now I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look. As you can see, the car is really dirty. For this project you will need the solution, couple microfiber towels, and you're gonna do small section at the time, like half of the hood. You just pour this solution, and because it was so cheap for me, I can use it as much as I want. And take your towel and use it in one direction. You can see how dirty it is. And right away you can see the difference. And if you have a bird poop or something, you can pre-treat this area separately and work it out on it, like I have it over here. And that's it. You can do the whole car. It's under 10 minutes. Just make sure you use a really nice microfiber towel, actually couple, because every time when it's get dirty, you have to flip over and use the clean side. And then when this one got dirty, you're gonna twist it and you're gonna use these two sides and so on. And then if one is not enough, you can use a second one. Usually for me, two is enough for the whole car. And now, as you can see, I finished all my car. It's look like it's been washed. It's like it's just came out from the car wash. It's shiny, clean, and it's cost me maybe 25 cents. That's all. The whole bottle is about $1, so it's enough for 4 cars. 25 cents per wash. Really cheap and really effective, as you can see. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.